All right, so quick little project. Got the standard aerial and I'm gonna redneck. We're going the 50 cal aerial. But I just went to put it on and let me show you my dilemma. So take that off, and then in the bag of many joiners, as you can see there, none of these, I've checked them, actually fit the thread down in there. The length by width by height do not match. So think we might have to change the thread. I might have to cut a new thread on those. Let's have a look. So this one, it fits, but it only screws in probably 1.5 little turns. So I'm just gonna have to, sorry for the car noise in the background, I'm just gonna have to recut this thread. So let's go do that. Nice. Let's go try that. All right, so I've threaded that into the actual aerial, as you can see. Just tighten this up. Get that down nice and snug. Oh yeah. Boom, look at that. Better test it and make sure it works. All right, so there it sits out there, but I was a bit worried to see what the reception was going to be like. Oh yeah. I won't play that for too long because someone will copyright me, but boom! Look at that. Love it. No crackles. All right, so bit of an update. The hot wash, the video that was a little while ago, I was waiting for parts. I've got my flame photocell sensor, which is great. The on-off knob, that should be with me tomorrow, and the pressure gauge should be with me tomorrow as well, which means on the weekend we can get this thing up and running and get a video done on that, which is awesome. And I'm also going to try something on this plastic cover, try and bring it back to new. I won't say what it is at the moment, but keep your eyes peeled for the video. It's a cool trick that you might be able to use on some of your plastics to bring them back to life too. What else we got on the go? The other thing that everyone I know has been asking me about is the ski. Where's it at? What's it doing? Well, it's looking a bit sad and sorry for itself here, covered in dust and God knows whatever else has been happening here. But I've come up with an idea for this because I'm having trouble with the drive shaft part, as you saw, because that spline is a different cut to what the spline I require for the new pump is. So I've come up with an idea which means we can keep moving with this project so that I can start to get some stuff back together, the engine can run, and we can start doing some wiring. So keep your eyes open. That video will be back online soon too as well. The other video that's on the go at the moment is obviously the enclosed trailer, which there'll be some more work done on that this weekend, which is pretty exciting. I want to just rip off that other side of silicon that you would have seen if you saw the shorts. There's a bit of an update there. If not, check it out. But there'll be another video release on that soon. Going to get the underside painted, a bit more structural work, and then reclad. That I worked on last weekend, and there'll be another session on that this weekend. And last but not least, the drone. Where's the drone? Where are the aerial shots? Well, the drone should be back for this weekend, and I can't wait to tell you what happened to it. I'm sure it will have happened to someone else's drone. I'm not going to clickbait the video. I will put a bit in the title about this video of it, but please stay tuned for that video, because I'm sure what happened to me will have happened to someone else. All the forums I read, people suffered the same thing. So stay tuned for that. I'll let you know what it sort of eventuated being and how I handled it. So I hope everyone's having a great week, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Catch ya.